Good day everyone, especially dun sa ating mga students na planning to take the UPCAT examination this coming August. So I have prepared a mock exam. Open yung ating exam July 5, 2025 from 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. Philippine time. Ang exam natin is consist of 60 questions with a total time limit of 1 hour and 15 minutes. So mga dapat tandaan, please note. The timer starts as soon as you begin the exam. So once you open the examination, ang timer natin na 1 hour and 15 minutes, mag-start siya. And once started, the timer will not reset even if you are going to close your browser or shut down your computer. Once mag-start yung timer, magsa-start yung timer. So make sure that you are fully prepared before starting the examination. We encourage you to set aside a quiet time and space to make the exam under realistic conditions. And if you have questions or concerns, feel free to reach out via my official TikTok and my page. Tapos again, click nyo lang yung itong next. By the way, the one I'm showing is the actual form that you need to fill out para makasali ka sa ating waiting list or sa ating master list. And then, again, use this form para ma-access yung examination. You click on next. And then I need you guys to agree to this Data Privacy Act. So basically dito lang, you're just agreeing na lahat ng information through this form will be used only for, again, administration of the UPCAT mock exam. Ang pangalan ninyo will serve as the unique identifier, and then yung email ninyo will be used for me to send your login credentials para ma-access yung examination natin. And then once you agree to all this, i-click nyo lang yung next. Then dito naman, ito yung ating mga personal information, Again, yung pangalan mo, yung last name mo, yung sex, tapos yung section, tapos yung email natin. Again, make sure yung email ad natin will be correct para matanggap na yung login code na ibibigay ko via email. And then just click on next. And then again, a reiteration lang of the reminder, ito. And then once you are done, click all set and then submit the form. And then again, I will be sending the login credentials before Saturday. Good luck sa ating lahat.